Well, today I have to tell you something really important. I came here on this chilly morning because there is something very important that I have on my mind. I'm on YouTube now for 6 years, but only last year and a half I am really active. Now there is some really important things that I wish you to know. My first videos were just regular review videos, and I recorded a video about my watch, but after that video I didn't record for almost 5 years. Maybe about more than 1 year I recorded another video about my tires, and that video also had pretty good results, but I didn't continue with YouTube. About 1 year ago I was actively started recording videos again, and that is the moment when I decided to take it more serious. Now for about 1 year I'm pretty serious on YouTube. I have more than 240 videos. I was experimenting with all kind of niches. I was doing first review videos, then some car videos, then some travel videos. I even try with AI videos. But today I'm mostly doing review videos, car videos, and some travel videos. What I regret that I wish before. I regret that I didn't start sooner, because those 5 years when I didn't record anything, that is a missed years for YouTube. For YouTube it is very important just to record videos. The quality of the video is not so important. The most important is consistency. When you upload regularly, no matter how your videos are, you are thriving. You go far, you go beyond, you grow on YouTube in any way. You just need to try, you just need to experiment. In the beginning, you don't have idea what to record on YouTube, but with time, ideas come one by one. I'm pretty sure that you are pretty good in something. I don't know, maybe you are car mechanic, or you are karate trainer, or you have Pilates lessons, or anything. You just pick anything that you like and anything that you are excited about and try to record about that. My main problem is that I love various things. I love workout, I love reviewing things, I like cars, and I'm still not 100% sure what niche to pick up. But if you want to grow on YouTube, you need to narrow your niche. You cannot make videos about everything. So I decided to mostly do review videos and some videos about my path and my growth on YouTube. This video is one kind of that videos where I explain how I started doing YouTube, why I started doing YouTube, and how that impact on my life. I think after more than a year of regularly uploading to YouTube, I learned so many things. It is easier to me to talk on camera. It is easier to record videos. I'm better in speaking in front of the camera. Everything has improved since I began to record this kind of YouTube videos. It is maybe a little hard in the beginning, especially it is hard if somebody watching that you're recording YouTube video, maybe it is not cozy to you to speak in front of camera. Maybe you didn't used to speak in front of camera, but with time it begins to be a lot easier to you. You relax with time, you learn how to speak to camera, you learn how to make videos. In the beginning, every job is hard, but after some time, you learn how to deal with that. So it's the same principle with YouTube. Just start, just record your videos, and everything will come on its place. So just relax, be yourself. Imagine you are talking to yourself in front of the mirror. Don't bother with the audience when you're recording video. Record videos for audience, but don't be shy because of them. Just relax. Imagine that you are in front of your mirror and you are talking all alone. And it becomes much easier. Today is pretty chilly morning. So I think I little help you with this video, because you are not alone when you decide to record videos, when you decide to start YouTube channel. It was hard in beginning also for myself. Even today I have some days when it's harder and some days when it's easier, but everything is practice. When you're doing something long enough, it becomes much easier. So just press that record button. You don't have to bother about editing. You don't have to bother about lighting. That things will come later. In the beginning, only take your phone, press record button and record. Later, you can think about some gadgets. I don't know, buy some microphone. You can buy some cheap microphone for $20, $50, I don't know. Then you can upgrade your phone or buy some better camera, tripod. But that are the things in the future. Today, what's only matter is your phone. You don't need to have newest phone. I don't know. It's enough to have few years old phone that can record 1080p videos or 4K videos, and that's pretty enough for you. So guys, I hope that I helped you with this video. Please like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me if you want another type of this video, and see you in my next video. Bye bye. Thank you for watching one more time.